Hi everyone, are you guys also having your issue with your iPhone screen not responding? Well, here's how you can fix it. So the first and the only thing that you can do in order to fix it is to force restart your iPhone. So in order to do that, the first thing that you need to do is click on your volume up button, your volume down button, and then keep pressing on your power on button until you see the Apple logo. I'm going to do just that in order to show you. First of all, volume up, volume down button, and keep pressing on power on button until you see the Apple logo. Keep pressing. And now in here, you can see my phone has been turned off, and now you can release the power on button after you saw the Apple logo, and within few minutes, your iPhone will successfully be restarted. So just like this, here you can see we have now successfully restarted our iPhone, and here you can see I don't have the touch problem anymore. But if you are still facing the touch problem, then I think the problem would be with your hardware, which you need to fix through your Apple service provider. So I would recommend you guys to take your phone to your nearest Apple service provider if you are still having the problem. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.